Hi there, my name is Ravina and I'm here to discuss the art of formulating your own skincare products. I believe formulation to be more of an art than science. Now don't get me wrong, formulation is all based on the science of skin, on extracting, blending, mixing of ingredients, working with solvent, emulsions and following cosmetic formulas. But we often forget the artistic side of formulations, the one where you are creating a meaningful, storable product by bringing out the goodness of a raw material. Whipping the perfect fluffy body butter, blending the perfect translucent toner, mixing until the right consistency of facial serum is achieved. Ooh, this gives me goosebumps. What's more, you get to play along with many herbs, flowers, shrubs, roots, and so many other botanicals. Take inspiration from your surroundings and make a spectrum of facial products that reflect your choice of color, richness, goodness, and packaging. Let us take you on an artistic journey where you'll emerge as a creator of your own skincare products. And trust me, once you've started mixing your own products, you can hardly return to the store-bought products. Learning to formulate my own skincare product has not only turned me into a professional formulator, an entrepreneur, and now a formulation coach. It has also empowered me. The idea of formulating my own skincare products started as an artistic hobby. But soon I realized that I no longer needed to buy my skincare products from the store. Why? Because I trusted what I created with my own hands. And I know what I'm applying on my precious skin is safe, pure, and most importantly, healthy and effective because it's backed by the power of nature. And so the idea of starting Learn Canyon was born. To share this empowerment with my fellow artists, I'm calling out all those who know they have a creative bone in their body to try Organic Cosmetic Formulations from Learn Canyon's Certification in Organic Skincare Formulations course. This course has expert-taught videos that will help you formulate 30 plus authentic and effective skincare products. Make butters, balms, lotions, serums, gels, masks, scrubs, oils, cleansers, creams, toners, moisturizers, and so much more. And that's not all. You'll also learn how to sell these products under the name of your own beauty brand. Are you ready to become a certified professional in organic skincare formulations? Then sign up to the course. Click the website now. See you.